Hi, I'm Shannon, here to bring you the new RYOBI Tools 101 series, where we'll be taking a look at some of the most common tools, such as your nailer, circular saw, drill driver, and more. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at perhaps the most essential and popular tool in any collection, the cordless drill driver. We'll answer some of the basic questions like how to use the onboard features, which drill bits to use, and more common applications. Welcome to RYOBI Tools 101. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're the first to see videos on new tool tips, product announcements, DIY tips, and so much more. Let's start off with the cordless drill driver. Everybody needs a drill, and we're going to be taking a look at the 18-volt 1+ cordless drill driver. Whether you're a homeowner looking to fix up your home or a professional taking it to the next level, you're going to find that this is the most essential and versatile tool in your collection. In short, your two main functions are going to be drilling holes or driving screws. The versatility of this tool allows you to work with so many different materials, such as wood, tile, glass, metal, and more. It's so important to have a tool that can tackle any job that comes your way. These tools are 100% compatible, meaning that any 18-volt 1+ battery will work in any of your 18-volt 1+ tools. Always remember to remove your battery before making any adjustments, and be sure to have your safety glasses on before driving any screws or drilling any holes. Now, as you can see, we have several onboard features in your drill driver, and it's important that you understand how each one of those work. Starting at top, you have your 2-speed gearbox with settings 1 and 2. Setting 1 is going to be your maximum power, higher torque. Setting 2 is going to be your faster speed. Here we have the drill chuck. The chuck essentially works as jaws to hold your drill in place. Rotate it clockwise to loosen it up, stick your drill bit in, and rotate it counterclockwise to tighten it back up. Now here you have the clutch. The clutch is what you're going to adjust to tell your drill how much power it needs, depending on the material you're driving into. The clutch will engage and stop the drill as soon as it receives a certain amount of pressure. That's going to keep you from sinking your screw too deep or damaging your material. Your clutch has 24 positions. You're going to want that higher number if you're working with a more dense, hard material. If you're working with a softer material, like sheetrock, go down to those lower numbers, and you're going to make adjustments as you go along the way. If you're only drilling holes, on the top of your drill in the clutch, you'll see a drilling icon. Switch it there so that your clutch knows to take the day off, because it doesn't need to engage. It's just going to continue spinning until your hole is fully drilled. What you'll love about the drill is it's a variable speed trigger, meaning that you can control how fast it's going or slow it's going. Kind of like when you're driving a car and you have a gas pedal. You also have a switch in the front to go ahead and put it into reverse or forward. And you also want to get into the habit of leaving it in that locked position and removing your battery when it's not in use. You'll also love the feature of the LED work light. It allows you to see in those low light situations that you're working in. The last step before putting your drill into action is choosing the right accessory for it. Bits come in all different sizes and shapes depending on the material you're working with, so be sure to pick the right one for your job. Now, before installing your bit, you're going to want to put your drill in the locked position and remove the battery. Go ahead and turn it clockwise to loosen those jaws up, put your drill bit in, and turn it counterclockwise to tighten it back up. You're going to find that the drill is going to become handy in most of your projects, so be sure to read your safety manual for warnings and instructions. Good luck, and get out there and do it. Hey RYOBI Nation, thanks for joining us for this episode of Tools 101. If you like what you heard, be sure to subscribe and join us for more videos. And comment below so we know what you want to see next.